Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. So a lot of you guys asked me what's the difference between a RS3 and an S3. So today I thought I'll do a YouTube video on it. So we've got my RS3 there, we've got the S3 facelift here, and then we've got S3 pre-facelift. So I'll get some videos of all of them revving, launches, drive-bys, and you can see the difference for yourselves basically. So yeah, I'll get Seamus to rev the car now. The RS3, this is the S3 pre-facelift now. This cracks some popples. So that's the S3 facelift, sorry, and now this is the S3 pre-facelift. That's all of them revving. I'll get videos of them launching off now. So that's all three cars doing a drive-by together. I'm going to get them done individually now so you can hear each sound on its own. So we'll go with the facelift one first. So go on, Samir. So that's a video of all three cars doing a drive-by. The main difference between the RS3 and the two S3s is that, there it is. The main difference is that mine's a 2.5 litre, the RS3 is a 2.5 litre, whereas the other two are 2 litres. Mine has 367 PS, Damir's has 296 PS, which is the pre-facelift, and the facelift, which is Samir's, has 310 PS. So between the two S3s there's not that much brake horsepower difference, but with the facelift one it cracks some popples, and the RS3 cracks some popples anyway. So yeah, that's the comparison, guys. Eventually I'm going to be doing a walk around of the three cars. That will be in a video soon to come. So anyway guys, that's just a short video. Hope you enjoyed it. That's Samir. He's got the S3 facelift. That's Damir. He's got the S3 facelift. I'll put their social media accounts down below. Make sure you check them out and follow them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like, and I'll see you soon for another video.
Peace.
Gonna close it off.
Thanks for watching guys. See you later.
He's going to slap it, bro.